Hello guys, this is Hardeep, and the last video we have discussed about the variables in PHP, and in this video we will see the variable in more details. Okay, so first let's start PHP, and here I just want to tell you that there are some rules to declare variables, some rules to declare variables. Okay, the first rule is the when we give a variable name, the first letter should be always alpha, numeric, or underscore. What we call underscore. Let's start. Suppose again I just gave it a $a equal to 25 echo dollar underscore a. Okay, that's it. I save it. Again, I just want to tell you that I have saved it in map htdocs, and then my file test45.php, and in XAMPP there should be your XAMPP folder, and then htdocs folder, and then your file name. Okay, now I am going to start my map server. Yeah, click here. Okay, just start the server. Asking for password. Yeah, okay, it starts. Yeah, okay. Okay, now I just will give test45.php. Okay, here it is 25. Now if now you can see this is a not correct variable name, because the first letter should be always alpha. Sorry, we wrote this. Yeah, first letter should be from A to Z or underscore. Let me save it, let me write it, okay. Save it and run it. Yeah, it's syntax error. It is showing the syntax error. However, we can write this way. Now you can see there is no error. So basically this is the rule to declare a variable. Also, you should be careful about the keywords. Do not name the variables with variables same with the keywords of PHP. For example, if we write if is a keyword, yeah, it is working, but I do not recommend to use any variable with if. For example, else, or like do, while. These are some of the keywords in PHP. So basically these are the rules to declare variables. Now let's go forward. Okay, now we will just create some variables. Suppose we will just write I'm student name. I will just student name Hardeep. Here I am using a single quotes. Okay, now let me write again. I'm just writing marks. I'm just writing marks equal to suppose 150. Now I just write echo student name. This is I am using dot to concat the two values. This is basically a concatenation operator. I just put it commas, just marks. Again, here is again concatenation operator. Then I put it marks. Okay, that's it. Save it. Save it. Now refresh it. Yeah, now you can see Hardeep Singh marks 150. And suppose I will just comment it. I can also write like that way, double quotes. You just write student. You just copy the name, student name. Okay, I will just put comma here. Then I will just write marks. Again dollar marks. Okay, that's it. Now you can see. Okay, same thing. Now if we put double quotes, the compiler or interpreter will check if there is any variable, in this string, and it will execute the variable and give us the values. However, if we use single quotes, then you will see as it is. Yeah, now it is not, the variables are not read by the compiler. It is showing the variable name as it is. So this is very good thing. Yeah. And we can write that way, but personally I recommend the first one, because by use of this we can see our variables in the program easily. Or we can, I think we can also write like that way. Can also write that way. I think we can also write it like that. Save it. Okay, yeah, that's it. Suppose I make a variable a. Suppose I make a variable a. I just name it. Just gave it a name b. I just gave it, this is string. Okay, now the thing I can do is $$ a. I will just comment it, just refresh it. Now you can see this is string. This means it is basically variable to variable. First the system executes $a, and $a has $b value, and then it will display like that, and then system execute $b, and $b has the value. This is a string. Also, if you use single quotes, then this string is executed by the system fast than the double quotes. So the places where you no, the places where you do not need to add variables, you can just put the single quotes, single quotes to write strings. We can also write it like that way. Yeah, I think that's, yeah, this is the same way. Okay, or we can use like, suppose if I will use like b, this will now use, it will show error. Okay, now if I can write that way, I don't think it's also, yeah, that's right. This is string. You can also write like that. It's $b, someone's value, we put any value here, and then it start to show. Suppose we can also put a student name. Then this is another way to execute variable, because sometime you might have to use the variable here, so you can use it. This is a good way to declare variables. So I think let me check if I missed something. Check it. Okay, global and super globals. Okay, okay, now I will let you tell you one something more. I am just showing. We are going to check the type of the variables. Suppose yeah, I think okay, let me write it is string. Just dollar student name, just put it here, refresh it. Okay, that says 1. So basically this function, it is a function, we put it in a parameter. It always return boolean value. What is boolean values? True or false or 1 or 0. So I will just put break here. This is HTML tag, and now echo, let me write echo is string. Okay, I will just write marks in it. Yeah, you can check. I think it doesn't show anything. Let me comment it. Yeah, it is actually, it is not showing anything. Okay, let me check. Is is I am not. Let me check the function name. Is integer. Just put the marks. You can see the results. Yeah, it's now showing 1. So this is the way you can check the data type. Later I will tell you how to write something by the type checking. You can check booleans as well as any other values. Thank you for watching this video. In next video we are going to write some, I think, conditional statements with operators and operands. Or first we will start with the operators. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel to watch more videos from us. Thank you.